The world of artificial intelligence is constantly evolving. From its early days of simple algorithms to the complex neural networks of today, AI has come a long way. Every day, researchers and engineers push the boundaries of what machines can do, making them smarter, faster, and more intuitive. The pace of innovation is staggering, and it shows no signs of slowing down. New breakthroughs emerge all the time. These advancements are not just theoretical, they are being applied in real-world scenarios, transforming industries and improving lives. From healthcare to finance, AI is making processes more efficient and outcomes more accurate. The collaboration between human intelligence and artificial intelligence is creating a synergy that is driving unprecedented progress. Meta, the company behind Facebook and Instagram, is at the forefront of this revolution. With its vast resources and talented team, Meta is uniquely positioned to lead the charge in AI innovation. Their research labs are buzzing with activity as they explore new frontiers in machine learning and artificial intelligence. They have recently unveiled a groundbreaking new technology. This announcement has sent ripples through the tech community, sparking excitement and curiosity. The potential applications of this new technology are vast, and experts are eager to see how it will be implemented. It's called the Byte Latent Transformer, or BLT for short. This innovative technology promises to revolutionize the way AI models are built and deployed. By leveraging advanced algorithms and cutting-edge hardware, BLT aims to deliver unprecedented performance and efficiency. This innovation has the potential to reshape the AI landscape. Experts are taking notice. They believe that BLT could be a game-changer, offering new capabilities that were previously thought to be out of reach. The excitement is palpable as researchers and developers begin to explore the possibilities. They believe BLT could change the way we interact with technology. Imagine a world where AI is seamlessly integrated into every aspect of our lives, from smart homes that anticipate our needs to personal assistants that understand us better than ever before. The potential for enhancing our daily experiences is immense. BLT is not just an incremental improvement, it represents a fundamental shift in how AI models are conceived and constructed. This new approach could lead to more robust, adaptable, and intelligent systems that can tackle complex problems with greater ease. It's a fundamental shift in how AI models are built. By rethinking the architecture and methodologies, BLT opens up new avenues for innovation. This could lead to breakthroughs in areas such as natural language processing, computer vision, and autonomous systems. This essay will delve into the intricacies of BLT. We'll explore its design, functionality, and the underlying principles that make it so powerful. By understanding the technology behind BLT, we can better appreciate its potential impact. We'll explore its potential impact on various fields. From medicine to finance, education to entertainment, BLT has the potential to transform multiple industries. By enhancing the capabilities of AI, BLT could lead to more personalized healthcare, smarter financial systems, and more engaging educational tools. Get ready to witness the future of AI. As we embark on this journey, we'll uncover the transformative power of the Byte Latent Transformer and its potential to reshape our world. The future is bright, and it's powered by AI. Traditional AI models rely on something called tokenization. This means they break down text into individual words or subwords. BLT takes a different approach. It operates at the byte level. Bytes are the building blocks of digital information. By processing information at this fundamental level, BLT gains significant advantages. One of the key benefits is efficiency. BLT can process information faster and more efficiently than traditional models. This is because it doesn't need to waste time analyzing individual words. Instead, it goes straight to the source, the bytes themselves. BLT introduces a novel concept called dynamic patch encoding. This revolutionary technology is designed to optimize the way data is processed, making it more efficient and adaptable to varying levels of complexity. By dynamically adjusting its processing power, BLT ensures that resources are used effectively, reducing waste and improving overall performance. This is a fancy way of saying that it can adjust its processing power based on the complexity of the data. For instance, when dealing with simple data, BLT can operate in a low-power mode, conserving energy and reducing operational costs. On the other hand, when faced with more complex data, it can ramp up its processing capabilities to handle the increased demand efficiently. Think of it like a car with an automatic transmission. When driving on a flat road, the car doesn't need to use much power. It can cruise along effortlessly, maintaining a steady speed without exerting too much energy. This is similar to how BLT handles simple data, using minimal resources to get the job done. But when climbing a steep hill, it shifts gears to access more power. The car needs to work harder to overcome the increased resistance, just as BLT needs to allocate more processing power to handle complex data. This ability to dynamically adjust ensures that BLT can tackle any challenge efficiently. Similarly, BLT can allocate more processing power to complex data, such as lengthy sentences or technical jargon. This means that no matter how intricate the information, BLT can process it quickly and accurately, ensuring that users get the results they need without unnecessary delays. For simpler data, it can conserve energy by using less power. This not only makes the system more efficient, but also extends the lifespan of the hardware by reducing wear and tear. By optimizing resource usage, BLT provides a sustainable solution for data processing needs. This dynamic approach makes BLT incredibly efficient. By intelligently managing its resources, BLT can deliver high performance while minimizing energy consumption. This makes it an ideal choice for a wide range of applications, from everyday computing tasks to complex data analysis. With BLT, efficiency is truly at its finest. In the world of AI, bigger is often better. Larger models with more parameters tend to perform better. However, scaling up traditional AI models can be a challenge. They require more computing power and memory, which can be expensive and time-consuming. BLT's byte-level approach and dynamic patch encoding give it a significant advantage in scaling. It can handle larger amounts of data and more complex models without breaking a sweat. This scalability opens up exciting possibilities for the future of AI. Section 5. Beyond the surface, enhanced reasoning and generalization. AI models are often judged by their ability to reason and generalize. Reasoning refers to the ability to understand and apply logic. Generalization refers to the ability to apply knowledge learned from one situation to another. BLT excels in both areas. Its byte-level processing allows it to capture subtle nuances in language that traditional models might miss. This deeper understanding translates into improved reasoning and generalization capabilities. Section 6. Breaking free from vocabulary constraints. Traditional AI models are limited by their vocabulary. They can only understand words and phrases that they have been trained on. This can be a problem when dealing with new words, slang, or technical jargon. BLT doesn't have this limitation. Because it operates at the byte level, it doesn't rely on a fixed vocabulary. It can process any sequence of bytes, regardless of whether it has seen them before. This makes BLT incredibly flexible and adaptable. Section 7. Meta's AI ecosystem, a seamless integration. Meta is not just developing cutting-edge AI technology, they're also integrating it into their vast ecosystem of products and services. This integration is not a simple task. It involves a complex interplay of various technologies and platforms. Meta's engineers are working tirelessly to ensure that AI seamlessly blends into every aspect of their ecosystem, enhancing user experience and functionality. This includes platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Each of these platforms has its own unique set of challenges and opportunities when it comes to AI integration. For instance, on Facebook, AI can help in curating content that is more relevant to the user, while on Instagram, it can enhance the visual experience by suggesting filters and edits, and even virtual reality environments. In the realm of VR, AI can create more immersive and interactive experiences by understanding user preferences and adapting the virtual world accordingly. This makes the virtual experience not just a visual treat, but also a highly personalized journey. This integration has the potential to revolutionize how we interact with technology. Imagine a world where your devices understand you better than ever before, making your interactions more intuitive and natural. This is the future that Meta is working towards. Imagine a world where your social media feeds are perfectly tailored to your interests, showing you content that you didn't even know you wanted to see. This is made possible through advanced AI algorithms that analyze your behavior and preferences in real time. Your virtual reality experiences are more immersive and engaging, offering you a level of interaction that was previously unimaginable. AI can make these experiences more dynamic and responsive, adapting to your actions and preferences on the fly, and your online interactions are smoother and more efficient. Whether it's a video call with friends or a seamless online transaction, AI ensures that everything works flawlessly, making your digital life easier and more enjoyable. BLT is a key enabler of this vision. By leveraging the power of AI, Meta aims to create a more connected and intelligent ecosystem that benefits everyone. The future is bright, and Meta is at the forefront of this technological revolution. Section 8. Your AI companion, the Meta AI Assistant. Meta is developing an AI assistant that will be integrated across its platforms. This assistant will leverage the power of BLT to provide users with a more personalized and helpful experience. Imagine having an AI assistant that can help you with everyday tasks, like scheduling appointments, making reservations, and finding information. The Meta AI assistant aims to be your go-to companion in the digital world. Section 9. A bright future for AI. Meta's BLT is a game-changer in the world of artificial intelligence. Its innovative architecture, combined with Meta's vast resources and ambitious vision, has the potential to revolutionize numerous fields. From online advertising and virtual reality to customer service and education, the possibilities are endless. As BLT continues to evolve and mature, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking applications emerge. The future of AI is bright, and Meta is leading the charge.